you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Hello mga coolers! Merry Christmas! So today I am going to tour you around Chocolateville. It is probably the most festive theme park here in Bangkok. It's not too close from downtown, right honey?
No, it's not.
It's like at least 30 to 40 minutes from the heart of the city. Actually, this coming Christmas, baka we are not going to celebrate at all because I'm gonna be very busy. It's test week, marami akong chechekana, test papers. So,
And I don't care.
dito kasi mga kules, bilingual schools and government schools, talagang ang Pasko ay hindi naman siya big deal. So talagang hindi rin naman masyadong masaya dito. But of course, we make ways to make it fun, right honey?
Go and have dinner and, maybe see some friends if we get an opportunity, yeah.
Oo, nakakamiss ang Pilipinas.
Baby, how was your Christmases back in the Philippines?
It was fun. It was very, very simple. But baby, I had so much fun back in the Philippines growing up because we would go to neighbors and they would give us 20 pesos. And we would go to different houses. We would eat for free.
What would you buy with your 20 pesos?
I saved it. I didn't buy anything because even when I was a kid, I'm not a big fan of toys.
You were frugal?
Yeah, very, very frugal. So I would save it, I guess.
Save that whole 33 cents.
Maybe food. Yeah, and carolings, I miss that growing up.
Oh, you were supposed to give money for carols?
Oh yeah, you didn't know that.
Oh, no, we didn't.
Oh, really? In America, no?
No.
Oh, so in the Philippines, babe, when we were kids, when we did carolings, people would open the door and give us money.
Oh, we didn't get money.
Oh, really?
No.
So you would just sing?
We just sing. Yeah, we'd go house to house and sing. They would smile and go, yay.
Oh, really?
No, it wasn't
Oh,
about
so
money.
in the Philippines, we would carols for money.
Oh, no.
Oh, so some houses, they would give, 50 pesos. That's a lot back then. Some houses would give 10 pesos. Some houses would give 5 pesos. And some houses didn't give at all. So we would sing, "Ang babarat ninyo," and then we would run away. Babarat means, "You're so stingy." Yeah, I just miss that. And the Simbang Gabi, babe. The mass in the morning, early in the morning.
Yeah.
We call it Simbang Gabi. Oh, I miss that. One of my best memories every Christmas season. The 9 mornings. Very simple life, honey. Actually, mga kulis, trivia. Ang tanda-tanda ko na, hindi pa pala ako nakakakain ng puto bongbong. Maybe next year when I go back to the Philippines, I'm gonna buy puto bongbong. Kasi dito sa Thailand, wala akong kilalang Pilipino na nagtitinda ng puto bongbong. So, kung meron po kayong kakilala, please comment below para makabili ako ng puto bongbong. Kasi sa totoong buhay, hindi pa pala ako nakakakain ng puto bongbong. What's funny? So,
just the word is funny.
So that's it. Imagine mga kulas, 16 years of Christmases that I...
Thailand.
Yeah,
Well, in
I
Thailand
missed.
is primarily Buddhist, so they don't do Christmas here. So
But the decorations are
Some places.
always extravagant. The best time to go to Chocolateville is of course in the evening para makita nyo yung mga makikinang na ilaw at iba't ibang Christmas lights and colorful decoration. By the way, if you are wondering how do I do this, time management. Because I also work Monday to Saturday. Saturday I also do private classes. And also, it's my cleaning day, my laundry day, and buhay may asawa. And then, on Sunday lang talaga ako nakakapag-vlog. Gusto ko lang ding i-share sa inyo para transparent naman. Kasi marami na rin akong mga kakilala or friends na nagtatanong, "Uy, sumisweldo ka na ba sa YouTube?" Hindi pa po. Napakalayo pa. Diba, girlie? Diba, Judeng? So, alam nyo yan. So, this is it mga kulas. Let's go, let's go, let's go, honey! Maraming salamat po sa lahat mga subscribers. Thank you very much sa inyong lahat. Alam nyo, pag nanood talaga kayo ng aking vlog, yung feeling na parang nakarating na rin kayo sa Thailand. So, ngayon po, malapit na ang Pasko. So, it's another tour. Welcome! So, tara mga kules, pasok tayo sa Chocolateville. nyo, medyo crowded, maraming tao. So people actually come here for photos. But if you get hungry, there's so many restaurants here, different dishes. Merong Western food, foreign food, international cuisine, and of course, Thai traditional food. So let's go and check them out. Itutur ko kayo mga kakules. Tara! Chocolateville is a must-see place here in Bangkok because again, it's very cute and Instagrammable worthy and it's for free. You know, you don't have to spend money. The place itself is very, very festive. Medyo nasa front pa lang tayo mga kules, so let me take you over to the other side of Chocolateville. Let's walk around. Let's walk around. So mga kules, the place itself is really nice. It's very colorful, very happy ambience, but it's not really my cup of tea because again, I'm a type of a person that I would rather visit nature more than man-made tourist attraction. But again, for Instagrammable worthy photos, this place is perfect. And there's actually some nice restaurants here. Like, the food is actually really good. So later on, we're gonna try one of the restaurants here. So let's go. Of all the small structures here, I think this one is probably my favorite, House of Light. So let's go in. Oh, this is so cool. They change into different colors. I feel like I'm a kid. I'm still a kid by heart. Really nice. They look like floating lanterns. So, ayan, sa mga nagtitipid at gusto nyo ng Instagrammable photos, punta lang kayo sa Chocolateville kasi hindi nyo na kailangang gumastos. But again, if you are looking for, I guess, really nice food, they also have here. So, tara, kain tayo. If you want to eat here, actually, you have to wait for your queue. Or make reservations. This is like the White House where you go if you want to eat here. Hindi kami nagpa-reserve. So, when we got here, the lady said it would take 30 minutes to an hour to get our table. Before we can eat, it would take at least an hour and a half. So, we decided not to eat kasi gutom na po kami. We might go eat somewhere down the road. Maybe just fast food. And the snow is still not done yet. So ito pala yung inaabangan mga kakules. Itong pa-snow. Oh! First time! Woo! Merry Christmas mga kakules and Happy New Year! I wish you all the best. Marami pong salamat sa inyong lahat. Woo!